We're at Bromley South. Here comes your 1548 to Victoria. $465,167 on its return, with 172 bringing up the rear. Here comes your 1509 Southeastern service to Orpington. That's by a 465 type worker. On the rear of that Victoria bound is 003 172 by for Orpington. Also in the background the rear saw is Southeastern 375 on the rear of 172 and 465. I'll tell you the rear. 163, I think it is.
From 2255.
167. These are 32 years old. Next train to pass by, bound for Victoria. That's by 375 821. We're at Shortlands. One 173 bound for Victoria. Passing through Shortlands. Next train to pass by will be Bath Ramsgate. 815 and 630. We're at Shortlands. We're at Shortlands. Here comes your 1455 South Thameslink service to London Blackfriars. That's by 700 038. There goes 46515 by for Orpington. Completely missed the number. But on the real that says 035.